The world of plastics. They are the most important material to modern world. We are going to discuss how they were made and their advantages and disadvantages to human and nature. We are now living among tons of plastics. Look around yourself. Vinyl, liquid containers, and glasses consist of plastic parts. With this abundance of plastics, some name the time after the 20th century as the age of plastics. It would not be possible to produce the most of the modern products without the existence of plastics. For example, semiconductors and LCD or organic EL display, secondary cell, and even automobiles includes plastic as their material. So, plastic synthesis is one of the most influential technology to humankind. But we need to think about this. How plastics were made? Let's start with the invention of the first plastic in 1846. German chemist Christian Friedrich Schönbein succeeded to synthesize the nitrocellulose while working as Swiss Basel University's professor. After him, British scientist Alexander Parkes mixed the nitrocellulose with alcohol to form elastic materials. In that time, there was demand for alternative ingredients for a billiard ball. The casual billiard ball was made from very expensive ivory. In 1869, in US, John Hyatt tried to find a new material to make a billiard ball. When he mixed nitrocellulose with a camphor, he invented celluloid, the first natural resin plastic. Celluloid was used for ingredients to a ping pong ball and decorations. After him, many plastics were discovered, and recently plastic technology is developing in a rapid rate and high quality. Degradable plastics are made for environmental preservation and less waste. Conductive plastics, which are used in OLED or optic ingredients, are also developed. Of course, plastics are used in artificial organs to save many human lives. Now let's look at step-by-step process of making plastic products. This is example of making PET bottles. First, small bottles called freeform are made. Then they are put into the mold of desired product. And then intense heat is provided from the outside of the mold, and air is infused into opening of freeforms to melt them to fill the bottle mold. After cooling process, the product is finished. And then let's look at two basic reactions when plastics are produced. First is additional polymerization, in which double-bonded molecule breaks up and forms thermoplastic polymers. Another reaction is a condensation polymerization. During the reaction, water molecules are released and form thermosetting polymers such as polyester or polyurethane.
Plastic is a substance the earth cannot digest, and every bit of plastic that has ever been created still exists. Every day in the United States, we throw out almost 88,000 tons of plastic. Now, what happens to plastic after you use it? Well, most of it goes into landfills. A portion gets into the water course and eventually ends up in the oceans. Recycling is not a sustainable solution. It's actually called downcycling because plastic never goes away. Consumption of disposable plastics has spiraled out of control.